we go. Nice. Yes! Come on! Once again! Ambulance behind me. We're fucking flying here. Gonna do a little tour of the campsite. This is my spot, my bike, my tent. This is my buddy's Buell. Triumph. We got 2 tents over there. We got the Dirty Billy van. Then we got Greg. And that's his tent right there. Drinking some right Ducati. Hey. Let's grow up. We're all gonna have to grow up. This is our fire pit. And this is the chair that was made. Oh, watch out. Sorry. Then we got this Dirty Billy bike.
I was telling these guys earlier, like,
that's what I just rode.
I had like this weird.
It's quite fun.
Where, like,
And then we got this monster.
Minimal camping. Yeah. There's a whole thing. There's a whole like
Beautiful monster. We all rode down this crazy hill that way. Not looking forward to riding back up it, but it's gonna be fine. It's not gonna be a big deal. And then we got KTM #1 single stroke.
Take her on that first loop first.
And then we got
what is the easiest road I can try here first?
We'll do the
we got this one here, this KTM.
Okay, I just follow you?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
And then we got this Honda that I might ride. Good stuff. So that's the overlook of the site. We also have another bike right over there. Another KTM. Look at these hooligans. Good lord. Nice. Alright. Gonna get back to camping.
At least somebody got it. Thank you.
And I went over some triggers, basically. And one flipped off and came with my spokes. Dragged my front tire to a stop. And I still try to plow through with it.
Some fire burritos in action.
What is that?
With a little
Yeah, flipped. And then my
Oh.
handlebar went and dug into the ground.
Oh, like the mission effect?
Yes, I did. Yep.
What Eddie was talking about at school.
perfect.
Where's the campfire?
Chilling, relaxing.
Talk about it.
Who wants to own flashlights? Oh, that looks amazing. Yeah. Oh, that's yours. Okay. Go back to owner. Adam had one as well, I remember.
It's okay.
Yeah, I've got 2 of them around somewhere.
It was like shooting lasers. It was like three in the shop.
Exactly what I wanted.
Yeah, I've got 2 here.
Relaxing on
So
the
is
fire
that,
in the middle of nowhere.
Greg, do you have one of
Riding some
mine, or is that the
bikes.
green one?
Chilling.
Or is that yours?
This one's mine, yeah.
Salve Cross, 6 Zeus, 5
Chat. Finally about to watch the dual vlog with Canal Motorama. Have you seen it yet? This is the cabin. As a miracle, we have an unlimited supply of firewood. There's nobody within earshot or eye shot. Over that way, there's a creek. We'll go there later. Starting the fire like kings. The bikes are parked about a 2-minute walk uphill, 250 feet, a little more, but it's a little bit steep, so we decided to leave the bikes up there. Also, I am winning the beer wars. The first empties on the table while NYC Scrambler is too busy fiddling his fucking squirrel piss. Sometimes you need 2 fires.